Welcome to Haiphong! Located 100 km from Hanoi, Haiphong is a popular destination for tourists. Visiting Haiphong in spring, you can participate in local festivals, visit temples, pagodas, and historical relics. In summer, tours of Dosan Beach, Gat Ba Island, Bai Long Bay, and Ha Long Bay are the most popular. If you are interested in folklore cultural activities and the buffalo fighting festival in Haiphong, autumn is the best time. In winter, visitors to Haiphong are inspired to climb to the mountains, to visit Gat Ba Grotto and Boy Mountain. Easy transportation is one of Gat Ba's advantages.
Foreigners like Gat Ba because of its quietness and tranquility, and Vietnamese tourists are really interested in the stunning beaches and the national park. Gat Ba Island is surrounded by more than 300 other islets. Traveling to Gat Ba is as easy as to Ha Long Bay. From Haiphong to Gat Ba, tourists can go by road or the ferry or the speedboat within an hour. Going by ferry from Tuan Chau to Gat Ba is a good opportunity for tourists. Gat Ba Island is a meeting place of the seas and the forests. Gat Ba National Park is a must-see for any tourist to Gat Ba. In addition, Gat Ba is really famous for the beautiful islets and the white sandy beaches. The town is really near the beach. We can see electric vans. The beach in Gat Ba town is very nice, and there are about 100 beaches in Gat Ba. The beaches in Gat Ba are small, but the water is clean and cool. The sand is white. For beach and forest lovers, Gat Ba is an ideal site. A trip to Gat Ba will give you an opportunity to enjoy the natural and flee the hustle and bustle of the city life.